was just playing around the other day. I didn't really have like any intention to make this kind of beat. I'd been listening to the Protected EP that came out recently. I've been listening to that a lot. So I guess like maybe this was just inspired by that. But I haven't seen like any sort of tutorials on this on YouTube. So I thought I'd kind of make a video just because I made this idea and I thought that it was interesting and I thought it was like kind of down that lane. I started out with these chords. We're in E major is the root notes here. The voicing is kind of like inverted. So the root note is actually E. So it goes 1, 7, 5. I don't know. It's like nothing too crazy. It's very simple. I just got this new pack in Cube. It's called Rivery. It's basically all like choir and vocal samples. Very sort of like ethereal, like woesum, White Armor type stuff. I was just kind of like playing around with each of the individual patches. It just sounded like woesum. So I was like, let's just make a woesum beat. So yeah, I started off with this. First patch is called Bells Beneath the Waves. It's kind of like a motion pad. It has like sort of an 8-bar loop. Like this loop is only 4 bars, but there's like some like modulation going on that makes it alternate over like an 8-bar progression type of thing. So yeah, I didn't do anything to this preset. We sort of have some quick settings on here, but I didn't really tweak anything. But you can also go into all of these separate sort of effects panels and sort of dive even deeper. There's like all these effects, and then these are all the individual samples that it's using. So that was just a patch. I just clicked a patch and it just made that, and I was like, that's fire. So then I laid it with this. I just literally copied the MIDI and duplicated it, and then I used this other patch. It's called Moonstone Tines. I just felt like layering this, it just sort of needed that kind of like attack in front of the pad to just make it stand out a little bit more. You can see what I mean though, like how it sounds like White Armor, woesum type stuff, and you can obviously pretty effortlessly get those results. Like I haven't tweaked anything. I laid it with this lead, which is just like a really simple, just like 3 notes. This is called Glistening Limerence. I went in and tweaked some things. I just EQ'd it a little bit. I gave it a boost like near like 1K and near like 8K just because I wanted it to be a little bit more like present in the mix, and then I scooped out sort of the 200 to 300 hertz area because it was sounding a little bit muddy with like the other pad and other stuff. And then I also added this. Well, this is already on there, but I just boosted it a little bit. But yeah, that's it. You can go in here and go crazy with all that. There is a version of this plugin that's free at the moment. It's called Cube Mini. I'll leave a link in the bio if anyone's interested in getting that. That lead sounded very like woesum to me. On that, I just I used the Halo 3D pan by Nathan Blair, just literally to sit it in the mix nicely. This plugin just sounds really good. So yeah, and then I just like adjusted the width as well, just once again to kind of like clean it up / like differentiate it between the other elements, because there was just sort of a lot going on. And then I just used like this whole drum kit I found on Reddit. It's just like Drain Gang, Sad Boys. You can probably find it if you look it up. And I just made like drums that suited it. On the end of that, I put Shaper Box. It just has like a mute at the end of 8 bars, and that's on the master channel or the main channel. And then I've got a soft clipper. I put it on the master as well, which I didn't push very hard, but I don't know. And then I just made a B section with a couple of other elements using Cube again, this Bewitch preset, and then this one called Birdsong as well, which I didn't tweak either of these presets. They just sounded great So this is them two together. It's a bit of light EQ on the like synth bus, but that's about it really. I'm not really gonna go through the drums because they're kind of like simple in a way. That's the 808 pattern if you want to see it. If you want to check out my Patreon, I'll leave this project file up there so you can just kind of like deconstruct it or whatever. Feel free to go check out the link in the bio if you're interested in checking out Cube. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.